Good morning class. Today we will be discussing 8th class rational numbers exercise 1.1 question number 1. So in this question they are given that using appropriate properties find the first one minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 6. So now already we have learned some of the properties with respect to rational numbers. What are those properties? Closure properties, associative property, commutative property and distributive property. And all these properties we have learned over different operations. What are those operations? Multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. So now we have to use those properties whatever we have learned, and using those properties we have to simplify. So look at this first question. In this question we have to find out something common. So now if you look at the questions 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. So in this term also we are having 3 by 5 common, and here also we are having 3 by 5 common. Okay, that is these two can be taken out by using which property? By using distributive property over multiplication. So before taking this 3 by 5 outside, what we have to do? We have to shift this term near to the first term. For that we have to use another property called as commutative property. Okay, so what we are doing, these are the three terms what we are having. So this we are shifting from here to here using commutative property. So when you are shifting, what you will get? Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus, because the whole term we are taking, minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Using which property? Using commutative property. Okay. So using commutative property we are shifting. So after using commutative property, here you can see 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 common. So we can take 3 by 5 outside by using which property? Using distributive property. So by using distributive property we are taking 3 by 5 outside. Okay. Or else directly you can take minus 3 by 5 also and take 3 by 5 outside. Okay. So if you take 3 by 5 outside, what is left out in this term? In this term, minus 2 by 3 is left out. And here from this term, minus 1 by 6 is left out. Okay. So 3 by 5 we are taken outside, and from this minus 3 by 2 is left out, and from here minus 1 by 6 is left out, plus 5 by 2. So using this property we are use distributive property. Okay. So up till here is it clear? So after that we have to simplify the fractions or rational numbers which are present inside the bracket. Okay, so simplifying, so you are having 3 and 6. If you take the LCM of 3 and 6, it will be 6. So 3 by 5 into, so in order to make denominator 6, you have to multiply by 2. Okay, if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, you will get minus 2 into 2, and here also into 2. So you will get minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So now 3 by 5 it will be as it is minus 4 minus 1. So minus 4 and minus 1, when you are adding, what you will get? Minus 5 by 6. And your denominator is, we should not add denominators, we have to keep that as it is. So minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So now here you can cancel them. So you will get 5 ones are 5 minus 1 and 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 into minus 1 you will get minus 1, and here 1 will be there, 1 into 2 you will get 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Then your denominators are same. Directly we can go for addition. So what is minus 1 plus 5? It will be 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2, what is the answer? It will be 2. So after simplifying, we will be getting our answer as 2. So this is the question number 1 first part. Okay, so similarly let us move on to the second part. So in the second part, identify which number is common here or which rational number is common. So look at the question. 2 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 are common. So by looking at the question, 2 by 5 is common, easily we can identify. So now we have to take 2 by 5 outside. Before that we have to bring this term nearer to this one. So that can be done by using which property? Using commutative property. Okay, so 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Just we are rearranging the terms. Using which property? Using commutative property. Okay. So now we know already I told 2 by 5 is common. So take that 2 by 5 outside using distributive property. If you take 2 by 5 outside from here, what is left out? Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. And here from this term minus 3 by 7 is left out, and from here 1 by 14 is left out, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So this is by distributive property. Using distributive property we are about the common terms, that is 2 by 5. So now look at the term inside the bracket. What is there? 7 and 14. So here we have to simplify minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. So here it is addition. For that we have to make denominators same. So what is the LCM of 7 and 14? Obviously it will be 14. So in order to make this 14, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Okay. So 2 by 5 into, when you are multiplying minus 3 by 2, you will get minus 6 by 14 plus 1 by 14 minus, and here we can cancel it out. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Anyhow we don't have anything common, so simplify there as well. So now you got 1 into 1, 1, and 2 into 2, you will get 4, 1 by 4. Okay, so 2 by 5 into, now simplify this one. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1, it will be minus 5 divided by 14 minus 1 by 4. So 5 and 5, they will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Okay, so now what you are having? 1 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 1, and here 1 into 7 you will get 7 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so now again you have to make denominator same for simplifying, and if you want to make denominator same, the LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So now in order to make this 28, this denominator 28, we have to multiply by 4. So when you multiply minus 1 by 7 by 4, so what you will get? Minus 4 by 28 minus, here 1 by 4 is there, so in order to make denominator 28, you have to multiply by 7. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 7, you will get 7 by 28. Okay, so now minus 4 minus 7. What is the answer? What answer you will get? Minus 4 minus 7, you will be getting minus 11 divided by 28. Okay, so this is the answer for NCERT textbook chapter number 1, exercise 1.1 and question number 1, question subpart 1 and 2. Okay, thank you so much.